Ever pondered over the thought of what could be the most tantalizing cuisine that you haven't yet savored? Or perhaps there's a cuisine you've always wanted to explore but haven't had the chance to. Well, today we embark on an exciting culinary journey, traversing the globe through the magic of flavors and aromas. So buckle up and prepare your taste buds for a wild ride. Imagine sitting in a bustling street-side cafe, the air filled with the aroma of spices and herbs. You're served a plate of piping hot pho. Can you guess where this steaming bowl of noodle soup hails from? If you guessed Vietnam, give yourself a pat on the back. Now, picture a warm, cozy kitchen. The scent of baked dough wafts through the air. You're handed a slice of margherita. Does this ring a bell? That's right, it's a classic from the heart of Italy. Next, envision yourself in a vibrant market. The tantalizing smell of grilled meat and veggies fills the air. You're offered a skewer of satay. Can you guess its origin? If you thought of Indonesia, you're absolutely correct. Now let's teleport to a beachside shack. The aroma of seafood and coconut engulfs you. You're presented with a bowl of moqueca. Any guesses? If you said Brazil, then you've hit the nail right on the head. Isn't it fascinating how each dish tells a story about its country of origin? The ingredients, the cooking methods, the presentation, all reflect the culture and tradition of the people who created them. But this journey doesn't have to end here. There are countless other cuisines waiting to be explored, each with its own unique flavors and stories. And you have the power to decide where our next culinary adventure takes us. So, which cuisine should we venture into next? Moroccan, Peruvian, Japanese, or perhaps the fiery flavors of Indian cuisine? The choice is yours. Drop your votes in the comments below and lead the way to our next delicious destination. Until then, keep exploring, keep tasting, and most importantly, keep enjoying the wonderful world of cuisines.